Traders Dynamic Index, TDI, MetaTrader Indicator, a comprehensive but helpful indicator that uses RSI, Relative Strength Index, its moving averages, and volatility bands, based on Bollinger Bands, to offer traders a full picture of the current forex market situation. It is available for MT4, MT5, and CTrader. Traders Dynamic Index supports 4 alert triggers and 4 alert types. It can also be used in a multi-time frame mode. Input parameters C_period, default equals 13, period in bars for calculation of RSI. Recommended range is between 8 and 25. RSI_price, default equals close price, price type to use in RSI calculation. Volatility_band, default equals 34, period in bars for volatility bands calculation. Recommended range is between 20 and 40. The lower the value the more sensitive the band. STD-dev, default equals 1.6185, standard deviation multiplier for volatility bands. It is not recommended to change this parameter. RSI_price_line, default equals 2, period of the first moving average, fast, of RSI. RSI_price_type, default equals simple, type of the first moving average of RSI. Trade_signal_line, default equals 7, period of the second moving average, slow, of RSI. Trade_signal_type, default equals simple, type of the second moving average of RSI. Enable native alerts, default equals false. If true, then a native pop-up alert will be issued when any of the alert conditions is met. Enable email alerts, default equals false. If true, alerts will be sent via email. Email should be properly configured in MetaTrader via tools greater than options greater than email. Enable push alerts, default equals false. If true, alerts will be sent via push notifications to your mobile device. Notifications should be properly configured in MetaTrader via tools greater than options greater than notifications. Enable arrow alerts, default equals false. If true, then an arrow will be displayed on the chart upon an alert condition triggering. Arrow prefix, default equals TDI, prefix for alert arrow chart objects for compatibility with other indicators. Enable red-yellow cross alert, default equals true. If true, then the alerts will be triggered when red and yellow lines cross. Enable hook alert, default equals false. If true, then the 4 alert options above will also enable alerts for the green line crosses the blue one from above when both are above level 68 or when the green line crosses the blue one from below when both are below level 32. Enable green-red cross alert, default equals false. If true, then the alerts will be triggered when green and red lines cross. Enable yellow-green cross alert, default equals false. If true, then the alerts will be triggered when yellow and green lines cross. Trigger candle, default equals previous, the candle to issue alerts on. Previous, the most recently closed candle or current, the yet unfinished candle. Example: the Traders Dynamic Index TDI indicator is the next generation of the popular Trader Dynamic Index indicator developed by Dean Malone and released in 2005. The TDI includes the addition of divergence signals and multiple crossover alerts. By combining the original Traders Dynamic Index with divergence signal and alerts, traders get a highly responsive indicator that shows direction, market sentiment, continuation, and turning point in one indicator. The lines of the TDI: green equals current price sentiment, red equals crossover for entry and exit, yellow equals overall market sentiment, blue equals increasing/decreasing volatility. Top 4 TDI strategies: 1. TDI signal 2. SP reversal 3. TDI hook 4. Squeeze 1. TDI signal trend and angle strategy. The beauty of the TDI is in its simplicity to plot the direction of market sentiment in relation to price action. This strategy is the everyday strategy for all TDI users regardless if of the type of trader, scalper on a 1-minute or 5-minute chart, active or swing trader on intraday charts, or position trader on a daily chart. To trade the TDI